Hey airplanes, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I do my hot oil treatments. Lately I have been getting a lot of requests from you guys to show more of what I have been doing to keep my hair, to make my hair more thicker or appear thicker or something, whatever it is that's going on with my hair, that it looks thick. I have been getting more requests from you guys to show what I've been doing, and hot oil treatment is definitely one of the most important treatments in my hair regimen. That is because no matter how my hair is feeling, I know that I can really go back to a hot oil treatment and it will do justice, and my hair will revamp, my hair will come back to life, my hair will feel moisturized. If my hair is feeling really dry and all those jazz, and I don't have any good deep conditioner around that I know will bring back the moisture, I always can trust my hot oil treatments, so I don't joke with it at all. I do these treatments, ideally I would like to do it every week, but reality is I don't have time to do that. What I really strive to do is I really try to do it twice a month, and that most of the time I do, and worst case scenario I do it once a month. So I'm just going to show you basically how I go about it. I don't think, of course it's important to use the oils that works well for your hair, but with my hair a lot of oils works really well. Apart from coconut oil, I have love and hate relationship with my hair, but most oils work really good with my hair. So in this hot oil treatment I'm going to use my amla oil. This is an Indian oil that I really love. It's my favorite Indian oil so far. I'm going to use my castor oil for strengthening and thickening my hair. The amla oil is also really good for if you have dry, itchy scalp, or if you have a lot of dandruff and you're trying to get rid of it, and it also helps stimulate hair growth. And my all-time favorite, my amla oil. It's almost finished, so I have a different bottle, so I keep on topping it up in here, so I need to top up. And I'm going to use my essential oils, rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and I will also use my peppermint essential oil. I don't have it right here right now, but I will use it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this hot oil treatment. What I also love doing a lot is using shea butter and essential oils for my hot oil treatment. That really works wonders with my hair. It really melts my hair and my hair feels like butter afterwards, and the moisturize that my hair gets is like on a different level. But if your hair has a lot of moisture already or something like that, I wouldn't advise using shea butter to do hot oil treatment, because your hair might get over moisturized, which is also a thing and it's also possible. So yeah, this is my oil right here. I have mixed all the oils together and I let it sit in this hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I take it out. Before you apply this on your hair or on your scalp, it's really important to test how hot this is, because you don't want to like burn your scalp or something, because this is also for a scalp treatment. As you can see, it looks like it's not that much, but it's really enough for my hair. My hair really does not need that much oil for hot oil treatment. So what I do is I go ahead and test it here on my hand, and yeah, the temperature is really good for my hair, so I'm going to use it for my hair. Another different thing that I'm going to do in this video is also, instead of spritzing my hair with water to make it manageable, I'm going to spritz it with rice water. If you have seen my previous video, you would have known that I am all into this rice water thing and seeing what it can do for my hair and how far I can go with it. So yeah, this is a different experiment that I'm going to do, and I hope it turns out really well. So this is my hair. As you can see, my hair is growing really well. It's getting thicker, and it's looking all healthy and stuff. So I'm really loving my hair at this moment. What I do as usual with every hairstyle, I go ahead and divide my hair into 4 sections with my fingers. So that is what I'm going to do. What I also do is I always warm up my rice water just a little bit, so that it helps open my cuticle, and in that way the products absorb. In that way the products, my hair absorb the products better. So that is what I do. So I spray the water on my hair, and then I spray the rice water on my hair. I work the rice water in my hair. At this point I don't want to spray the rice water on my scalp, because I know that I'm also going to do a hot oil treatment on my scalp, and I don't want it to be double on my scalp. So then I go in with the hot oil, and then I start with my scalp. You need to make sure you're wearing something that you don't care too much about, because this can get really messy. A most important step also here is also try to give the section a good massage, because that really helps with the hair. That really helps with stimulating hair growth, stimulating the blood circulation of your scalp. Therefore, you have more hair growth and possibly thicker hair. So after I do that, it really doesn't have to be long. You can just take a minute or 30 seconds to just massage your scalp. After that, I go ahead and put the hot oil on my hair itself, and I work it in. I try to separate my hair so that the hot oil goes everywhere. I really like this treatment. Every time I do this treatment I really get happy, because I know that my hair is going to feel really good afterwards. So I really enjoy, and I take the time, and I remind myself to do this all the time. Even if I don't deep conditioner, even if I don't do a deep conditioner treatment, I always remember to do a hot oil treatment, because that is also really good for my hair. So I'm totally done, and whatever is left in here, I go ahead and put it on my scalp, and go ahead and do a good scalp massage, like an all over scalp massage, just for the last time. So with this residue, with the rest of the oil, I go in the lines, and I saturate my scalp, and the hair can feel the oil moving on my scalp. So what I'm going to do now is to rub my hair with this saran wrap. So yeah, after that I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. This is the one I use, and then I will attach my blow dryer to it, and then I'll use it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I'm going to co-wash my hair with the As I Am cleansing conditioner. Normally I don't shampoo my hair afterwards unless I'm going to do a deep treatment afterwards. So if I'm not doing a deep treatment afterwards, I go ahead and use my cleansing conditioner. So after using the cleansing conditioner, the co-wash conditioner, I will go ahead and I'll go ahead and rinse it out, and then I will go in with my rinse out conditioner. I will put this in my hair for about 5 minutes, basically the time that I will be taking shower. That's when I'll let this rinse out conditioner work in my hair, and afterwards I'll go ahead and do my rice water rinse, which I am doing lately. If you haven't seen my previous video, you could go and watch it. I have I tell you in depth what I've been doing and how it has been working for my hair, etc. So I'll do my rice water rinse, and then after I do that, I go ahead and rinse the rice water out, and then I go ahead and style my hair. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was not too long and it was informative enough, and if there is information that you're missing, you can just comment below and I will tell you what you need to know. So yeah, let me know if you guys also love doing a hot oil treatment like I do. I can swear by it that it really helps my hair to keep its moisture, therefore I have less breakage and therefore my hair gets thicker. So I really love this conditioner of this hot oil treatment, and I really don't play with it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.